Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Today we are going to recite a poem from our Marigold book of class 5. The poem name is My Shadow. Do you know? Whenever there is a light, someone follows you. Have you ever wondered? Who it is? Read and enjoy. Robert Louis Stevenson. New words. India rubber ball. A ball that can bounce very high. Buttercup. A yellow flower. Errant. Bad. Errant sleepy head. Completely inattentive. Let's read. 1. Who do you think? Your shadow looks like? 2. Why do you think? Your shadow jumps into bed before you can? 3. What time of the day do you think? It is when your shadow is the tallest. Why? Morning. Afternoon. Night. 4. Read the lines from the poem and answer the following. He is very, very like me. From the heels up to the head. 1. Who does he refer to? 2. Who does me refer to? 3. Why are he and me alike? Let's talk. Work in pairs and discuss the following. What would you do if? A dog chases you. You have forgotten. Your homework copy at home. You are alone in a room. And the lights go out. Fun time. Shine a torch behind your hand. And see its shadow on the wall. Move the torch a little away from your hand. And see the shadow on the wall. Do you find a difference in the size? Of the hand on the wall. Working together. 1. Work in groups of 5. Make a large hand on a plain sheet. Mark the names of fingers. Thumb and palm on the hand. Use the hints given in the box. 4. Middle. Ring. Small. Thumb. 2. Do the actions as given below. And observe which part or fingers of your hand is being used. Point at a door. Bounce a ball. Scratch your chin. Twist your ear. Comb your hair. Draw with a pencil. Touch a flower. Let's write. 1. Fill in the blanks using one of the words given in brackets. 1. Where is the child? Blank. Parents have come to school. Who? Or. Whose? Or. Which? 2. I saw many houses. Blank. Were quite spacious. Which? Or. Whose? Or. Who? 3. Mathematics. Blank. Is my favorite subject. Is so interesting. Who? Or. Which? Or. That. 4. The poem. Blank. You read out. It's so lovely. Whose? Or. Which? Or. That. 5. I know the street. Blank. He lives on. Whose? Or. That. Or. Which? 6. I like reading books. Blank. Have pictures in it. That. Or. Who. Or. Which? 7. The old lady. Blank. I met in your house. Is my neighbor. Whom? Or. That. Or. Which? 2. Complete this description by answering the questions below. What do you think is the name of the dog? Why is he called that? What color is she? Do you think she is friendly? What does she like to eat? Write a few lines on Mithu and his little dog named Shadow. Say aloud. Su, sip, cell, shadow, sheep, shade, fish, dish, wish, bush, wash, brush.
When the sun shines, I can see my shadow right in front of me. When I walk, my shadow walks. When I walk, my shadow walks. When I jump, my shadow jumps. And when I stop, my shadow stops. And when I stop, my shadow stops. My shadow stops. My shadow stops.
Louis Binder Scott. Act out the poem as you read it slowly.